Hello everybody, it's me Tian here. I hope everybody's doing great. Now, let's talk about rugby. The Sharks played against Glasgow Warriors on Friday night in Glasgow, and the Sharks didn't really play that well for me personally, because they lost 35-19. Obviously, the Sharks only getting 19 tries, 19 points, and Glasgow getting 35 points. Um, yeah, and I want to mention, I want to say that um, surprisingly, uh, John Plumtree put Jaden Hendrickse, the Springbok scrum half, at fly off, and obviously if and obviously Jaden isn't a recognized um, fly off, meaning he doesn't play fly off on a regular basis, um, and as far as I know, oh well, I'm not sure why John Plumtree didn't choose Jordan Hendrickse or Siamasuku at fly off. Maybe they were injured or something happened. Please let me know in the comments. Why do you guys think John Plumtree didn't select them? Um, and obviously Jerenza Julius was originally in the 23-man squad, sitting on the bench, but he got injured during the warm up, I believe, and Tinu Mafasere, um, uh, loose forward, replaced him, which means that the Sharks went uh, originally went for a 5-3 split, but then went for 6-2, and Tinu Mafasere um, got yellow carded in the game. Um, yeah. Um, Something I want to mention is the Sharks got a penalty in their and 22, between the 22 and try line, and surprisingly, Jaden Hendrickse, who started at fly off, quick tapped the ball, and they actually got went, and I think they went and scored a try, but I'm not 100% sure about that. But they obviously went for a quick tap in their own 22 and managed to um, get into Glasgow's own 22. Um, if I'm not, I think they scored a try, but yeah, please let me know. And the tries that the Sharks scored was by Edwil van der Merwe, who went from the Lions to the Sharks. Vincent Tsuka, who captained the side, and Lukanu Am. Yeah, those are the. Oh, and another thing is, um, the penalty count that the um, Sharks got against them. They conceded 13 penalties, which is a lot for 80 minutes. Yeah. Uh, so that's all from my side, guys. Please let me know your thoughts about the game. Um, yeah. I hope you guys have a great day further. Please, this is me, Tian, signing out.